Welcome to West Laurel Hill Cemetery, located on 187 acres of rolling hills in Ballackinwood, Pennsylvania, just outside Philadelphia. West Laurel Hill is more than a final resting place, rich in history and natural elegance. We're a legacy for the living. Year-round, our grounds come alive with events for the family. Whether it's a guided tour of architecture and arboretum, a festival illuminating notable industry pioneers, everything we do here at West Laurel Hill Cemetery is our way of sharing this historic gem with you.
Hershey's has replaced cocoa butter in many of its candies with vegetable oil formulas. True or false? If you attended the second annual West Laurel Hill Confectionery Connection event, you'd know the answer to that and many more historical facts about chocolate, candy, and cough drops. The origins of chocolate date back to the Maya and Aztec civilizations. Cacao beans were used as coins to buy necessities. From the 16th to 18th centuries in Europe, chocolate was a drink enjoyed exclusively by nobility and the elite. Many countries contributed to the technology that advanced the production and taste of chocolate to what it is today.
What was our first confectionery connection?
Buried right here at West Laurel Hill is Henry Oscar Wilbur, known for the Bud. World-renowned philanthropist Milton S. Hershey sold his caramel company to help finance his focus on chocolate production, experimentation, and later successes. His connection to West Laurel Hill is through his beloved wife, Catherine Sweeney, who died at a Philadelphia hotel and was placed in a West Laurel Hill Cemetery receiving vault for 3 years before she could be transported to the Hershey Cemetery. Other confectionery connections include family from the Breyers Ice Cream Company and the Loudon Cough Drop Empire. After the overview, it was off to the atrium to enter the drawing and for the best lesson of all, learning the art of tasting chocolate.
Oh, wait a minute. Clean your palate between samples.
In the order from light to dark, note the appearance, aroma, texture, flavor, and finish.
Smooth, very smooth.
Whatever your style for enjoying chocolate and other sweets, dip, scoop, bite, drizzle, crunch, there is always more to learn about these tasty treats.
All of these educational programs and new events that we're trying to do. We have a beautiful place here. As you can see, we're very excited and proud of our history, so thank you so much. So without further ado, we'll get on with the drawing.
Numbers
nice and loud.
Are 4, 8, 7.
Okay, so let's recap. History lesson, tasting lesson, all the confection you can eat, and then go home with prizes? Sweet.
Connect with us often to plan your next visit to West Laurel Hill Cemetery.